Hello, my name is Berta. I am the pastry chef here in Mangiamo. We're grabbing some eggs. We need butter, some all-purpose flour, some sugar. We also need some coffee beans as well, baking cocoa, some honey.
This is a lady finger sponge cake.
We're gonna make our coffee chantilly right here. This is going to be on top of the entremet, powdered sugar, and instant coffee. Gotta mix it for a little bit. This is our final consistency. Crushing the pecans.
Mixing the eggs and the sugar. This is going to be the start of our mascarpone cream. 459 grams of heavy cream. Tempering in the Eastern Hills coffee liqueur into our mascarpone cream.
Now we're gonna combine all of the ingredients to make that mascarpone mousse main flavor and that entremet, because it gives the coffee flavor, that smooth sensation in your mouth when you eat it. Now when I add the whipped cream is when I have to be very careful, because I'm just folding it. I'm trying not to destroy the air. Start with the sponge cake. I'm gonna soak with coffee syrup infused with coffee liqueur. This is what is going to give the flavor. We're going to do a little bit of, this is a coffee cremeux. Do caramelized pecans. And then we're gonna top it with some more of the cremeux. Gonna do the next sponge. A little bit more of the coffee syrup. Start piping our mascarpone cream. I'm gonna apply the coffee chantilly. The last part to do is a little bit of dusted with a little bit of cocoa powder. After this is done, it has to be in the freezer for at least 4 hours or overnight. I'm gonna grab some of the coffee, some of the raspberry, get some color. See how it does. Fresh mint, a little bit of the coffee chantilly on top. Keep in place our chocolate decorations. Last one. So we top it up with some cocoa powder. Just to finish it off. And there you have a beautiful and delicious tiramisu entremet.